Look at the sequence on the third chromosome.
The methylation pattern is completely different from the control group.
The growth rate here confirms viability at scale.
And the contamination resistance is within acceptable parameters.
As you can see, the colonization rate is exceeding expectations.
Yes, the data confirms optimal growth conditions across the board.
Tỷ lệ thu hoạch tăng 5% trong giờ này.
Vâng, thuật toán mới hoạt động rất tốt.
Cụm này đạt tiêu chuẩn rồi.
Vâng, em thấy cái này cũng được.
Vậy mình thu hoạch thôi.
kiểm tra đơn hàng này trên hệ thống chưa? Xe Hà Nội đang đợi ở bến số 2.
Tôi thấy rồi, đang cho xe nâng chuyển tới ngay đây.
Đã quét xong lô nấm này.
Thông tin đã được cập nhật. Chính xác. Nhiệt độ ở khu vực C đang tăng cao. Có vấn đề gì không?
Tôi đã kiểm tra rồi. Cảm biến đó vừa được hiệu chỉnh lại. Không sao đâu.
The consumption on line 3 is spiking again.
Shift the solar load balance to the auxiliary grid. That should stabilize it.
Như bạn thấy trên biểu đồ, việc kiểm tra chất lượng phải được thực hiện ở đây. Đây là chìa khóa để tránh sai sót.
Yeah.
We maintain strict climate control, allowing us to harvest every 6 weeks.
How do you manage the risk of contamination at this scale?
Yeah, I mean,
The throughput here is excellent, well within the targets we set last quarter.
Yes, and the documentation on the tablets is fully up to date.
We can sign off on this section.
The Busan order is confirmed for the 15th. Please update the shipping manifest.
is the certificate of origin number correct here?
Yes, it matches the invoice. Go ahead and stamp it. The texture analysis shows a significant improvement in viscosity with this blend.
And the aroma profile on the cooked sample is much richer.
The mycelium structure is significantly lighter than the pulp.
And the rigidity is excellent for shipping.
Yeah.
This is exactly what we needed.
Let's refine the placement parameters here.
Okay, I'm increasing the servo gain now. Much smoother.
Chúng ta cần đảm bảo hàm lượng chất béo phù hợp với tiêu chuẩn châu Âu mới tại đây.
Vâng, tôi đã cập nhật các xác nhận trên bản nháp này rồi.
I think this tagline resonates well with the target demographic.
Yeah. It's strong, but let's look at the color palette again. We want it to pop on the shelves.
Yeah.
Boost your cognitive function with ShroomTech Lion's Mane. Nature's edge for a sharper you.
The positive trend here on the lion's mane extract is significant.
Yes, the 5-star ratings jumped overnight.
Yeah, we should highlight this in the quarterly report. If we optimize this step, we reduce the bottleneck here.
Right, and this new sequence could improve efficiency by 15%.
Perfect, let's add that here.
We look forward to working with you this season. Wow,
Likewise, this agreement is going to be great for the community.
This section here, the energy flow is suboptimal. We should reroute the primary conduits.
Yes, that resolves the bottleneck we identified earlier.
Sợi nấm này có khả năng chịu nhiệt rất tốt, vượt xa mong đợi của chúng ta.
Thật ấn tượng. Điều này mở ra nhiều ứng dụng mới.
The texture on this batch is much closer to the target.
Yes, the water absorption rate looks promising. We should run a sensory test.
The Q4 projections for the mycoprotein markets are outstanding.
Absolutely. This data confirms the shift towards sustainable options is accelerating.
Sincerely, this mushroom yield is critical for our European market strategy.
The data strongly suggests Q3 growth.
The mushrooms have a wonderful savory taste.
I agree, and the texture is perfect. I really enjoyed cooking with these. We should adjust the concentration based on this feedback.
Okay, updating the digital mock-up now. How is this version?
Yes, that captures the new formulation perfectly.
The bioreactor schematics are finalized. We can proceed with the filing.
Excellent. The formulations look solid. Let's secure the IP.
Based on the feedback, we should adjust the concentration here.
And move to the sustainable packaging option for the next run.
Đây là quy trình trồng nấm rơm của chúng tôi. Chúng tôi kiểm soát nhiệt độ và độ ẩm rất chặt chẽ.
Vậy còn việc thu hoạch thì sao ạ?
Chúng tôi thu hoạch thủ công để đảm bảo chất lượng tốt nhất.
We're delighted to donate these fresh mushrooms to the program.
Thank you. This is wonderful. Our clients will really appreciate the healthy food.
The key innovation here is how we're harnessing the natural growth process of fungi to create entirely new products.
And this spike in the APAC region
exceeds our most aggressive projections for Q3.
Yeah.
Look at that spike. The pickup rate in Europe is excellent.
It's trending already.
The contamination vector is stabilizing. Look at the projection here.
Yes, but we need to notify the media within the hour or we lose control of the narrative.
Chỉ số KPI hiệu quả quý tư cho thấy sự cải thiện đáng kể.
Vậy còn sản lượng xuất khẩu sang châu Âu?
Chúng ta đang vượt mức mong đợi. Số liệu thống kê rất hứa hẹn.
Manifest confirms all units scanned. Pallet is clear for transport to the isolation zone.
Roger that. Moving to the hold area.
This is the latest amendment for the requirements, correct?
Yes, confirmed. The system is updated.
Based on these Q3 figures, we need to adjust the tolerances immediately. I agree completely. We saw similar trends in the regional data last month.
Look at the inventory levels here. The algorithm optimized the entire supply chain based on the new demand forecast.
Excellent. That handles the Q4 projection perfectly.
These visualizations clearly show the hotspots in the supply chain, particularly the energy used in cultivation.
Yes, but the packaging emissions are lower than projected. This flowchart clearly outlines the efficiency upgrades.
Agreed. Let's add the projected carbon offset from the wind projects right here.
Good idea. That shows the overall impact.
Check the compliance figures for this lot here.
They align with the sustainability metrics we reviewed earlier.
This cyclone trajectory puts the South Asia hub at extreme risk.
Agreed. Rerouting through the eastern corridor mitigates 70% of the exposure.
The efficiency rating is confirmed on the projection here.
Yes, the cycle completed perfectly. We are ready for phase 2.
If we adjust the flow here, the simulation shows a 20% increase in throughput. The optimization is confirmed.
The predictive models rely heavily on clean data inputs.
So the quality leadership framework applies here directly.
It's a pleasure doing business with you both.
We look forward to a successful long-term partnership.
Agreed.
We did it, everyone!
This is amazing. Congratulations, team.